Okay, so for our exercises, so number 1, a lampshade is in the shape of a frustum of a cone. The vertical height of the shade is 25 centimeter and the diameters of the ends are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Determine the area of the material needed to form the lampshade. So yung lampshade, alam natin, ganito yung shape, saka yung end ay butas lang. So therefore, yung hinahanap na area dito ng material ay yung lateral area lang. So yung A sub L. So ang required dyan ay yung A sub L lang. So solution. Again, the formula for the lateral area of the cone. So pi quantity R plus R multiplied by the slant height L. Ito na yun, L na small na lang. So yung radius, kung titignan nyo yung mga given, ang given ay mga diameter. So yun yung 20 tsaka yung 10. So kung isi-solve natin yung radius, kung ito yung given na diameter, ito yung 20, and then ito yung 10. So therefore, ang radius dito sa taas ay 5 lang. So kaya may 5 dito. And then yung sa baba, ito yung diameter na 20, ang radius dyan ay 10 lang. Then how about yung slant height? Again, yung slant height natin, isosolve natin gamit ulit yung height tsaka yung base dito. So yung height natin dyan ay 25 centimeters. And then yung base, syempre, ng ating triangle ay 10 minus 5 lang. So yun ay 5. So solve natin yung L. So yung L dyan, or kung gusto nyo gawing capital L, okay lang din. So that is equal to 25 squared plus 5 squared. So that is equal to 25.5 centimeter. So therefore, our lateral area or the required area is pi quantity, yung dalawang r ay 10 plus 5 multiplied by our slant height, 25.5 centimeter. So ito ay naka-centimeter, centimeter, and then ito centimeter din. So therefore, ang ating sagot dyan ay 1,201.7 square centimeters. The number 2, a cooling tower is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a frustum of a cone as shown. Determine the volume of air space in the tower. 40% of the space is used for pipes and other structure. So ito yung ating cooling tower. Okay? For your information, yung cooling tower, ito yung ginagamit na pampalamig dun sa mga may init na tubig sa mga power plant. So ang hahanapin natin dito ay yung volume ng air space in the tower. Kung meron daw siyang 40% na space para dun sa pipes. For short, 60% lang ng total volume nito, yun yung volume ng air space. So ang required dyan ay yung volume ng air space doon sa tower. Let us denote that as unknown as V sub A. So solution, so that V sub A is simply equal to 60%. Okay, 60% of the volume of the cooling tower. Yung total volume nito. Okay, take note, ito yung total volume ng cooling tower. Pwede nyo ilagyan ito ng subscript. So C sub T nyo. So volume ng cooling tower. Volume of cooling tower. So again, itong 60%, naging 60% yan kasi unang-una, yung 40% na laman nito ay gagamitin pang pipes. So yung natitira na 60%, yun lang yung para dun sa airspace. So let us solve for the volume of the cooling tower. So V sub cooling tower is equal to volume ng cylinder. So volume of cylinder and volume of a frustum of a cone. So, ito na lang yung subscript natin, F point cone. So, that is equal to V sub cylinder plus volume ng frustum ng cone. So, volume of cylinder is equal to base area multiplied by height. Okay, so base area, take note we have 25 meter diameter. So, therefore, ang base area ng ating cylinder ay pi over 4 multiplied by 25 square. Take note, ito yung diameter. So, ang area niyan ay pi over 4d square. Si diameter yung given sa figure. Then, ito yung ating height. So, multiplied by 12 meter. So, ang unit natin ngayon dyan ay cubic meter. Plus, volume ng cone. So, yung ating cone, kailangan din natin ng radius or diameter. So, dito, meron tayong given na diameter. So, therefore, ang radius na to na mas malaki ay equal to 12.5 meter. Then yung ating height, kung ito ay 30 at ito ay 12, so meron tayong 18 meter na height. Okay, so ang radius naman nito, since 12 yan, so ang radius natin dito ay equal to 6 meters. So ang kulang na lang para dito sa volume ng cone natin ay yung ating slant height. So pwede natin solve yung volume ng cone. Again, yung volume ng cone or frustum ng cone is equal to 1/3 pi 8 multiplied by r square plus r multiplied by r plus r square. So dito kasi, yung subscript natin, kung mapapansin niyo F cone saka cylinder, hindi kasi natin pwedeng ilagay na pareho lang yung subscript natin or pareho lang yung variable. So substituting the given dito sa ating formula, so 1/3 pi h is 18. Then yung r, so bali yung r natin dyan, yung kalahati ng mga diameter na given. So 12.5 plus 6 multiplied by square plus 12 times 12.5 multiplied by 6 plus 6 square. So ang volume ng cooling tower dyan ay 10,928.03 cubic meter. So therefore, we can now solve for V sub A. So that is equal to 60%, ibig sabihin 0.6 multiplied by 1,000 or 10,928.03 cubic meters. So that is equal to, so multiply lang natin ito ng 0.6. So times 0.6. So that is equal to 6,556.82 cubic meters or approximately 6,557 cubic meter.